Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Lutron Pico Smart Remote. This is for use with the Lutron Caseta dimmer switch, and we really love it. So this is a super handy little remote that you can use to control your lights and works with your dimmer. So you can actually adjust your lights from the little remote and you don't have to get up and switch them on and off. So it's very handy. It's so tiny, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. You can also get a mounting bracket for it if you want to actually place it on the wall and use it as a switch. You have that option as well. So it has the on and off buttons to simply turn your lights on and off, or you can use the little arrows if you're going to be dimming your lights. So this just makes it really handy to have the ability to turn your lights off and on or change their brightness no matter where you are, and it doesn't have to be wired in. So this is a very convenient, handy little item. It works so well with our Lutron Caseta dimmer switch. We're really happy with this product, and that's my point of view.